Hi, I'm Terry Winston. I'm the Executive Director of Women's Audio Mission, and you are in the only recording studios in the world built and run entirely by women. And what's great about it is it's an amazing technology-fueled environment. As you can see, that attracts over 2,500 underserved girls, middle and high school age girls, and they do all kinds of maker projects like building speakers, using code to make drum machines and synthesizers, little bits kits to make electronics devices that make sounds. All of these things can really attract underserved girls to STEM, and we are serving the most vulnerable populations in Northern California, actually in the whole state of California. 96% are low income, 91% are girls of color, 30 to 40% high school dropout rates. So this is really important to provide this kind of training for them. Support from Infosys and the Infy Maker project would allow us to get more electronics kits in the hands of these girls and also support our instructional staff so they have a deeper experience in their time here at Women's Audio Mission. So I hope you enjoyed being in this incredible recording studio environment, and thanks so much for this opportunity.